Hello, we explain how to make this bird feeders.
Paper tape, nut driller, cutter, bird feet, a plier, the scissors, a wire, a lighter, and last but not least, you need a funnel. If you got everything, we can start with the first step. First you take the lid of the bottle and drill a hole in it. Just like this. Super! Now you take the paper tape and choose one of the colors. Green is nice. Now put it in the hole of the lid and knot it. Okay, this pot is ready. Put it away now. Now, let's look at the bottle. First, you carve with the cutter a plus into the lower section of the bottle. These plus you carve on all the two sides, because there will later come in the sticks where the birds can land on. Now it's time to carve two big holes, because birds need to pick their food out. And the other one at the other side. Now you need to carve the two crosses, which you made down of the big hole, again over the big hole, on all the two sides. Now you need to make the two holes softer, so that the birds cannot hurt their beak. That works with a lighter. Now you press the first stick into the two pluses, the one on the one side and the other at the other side. And the second stick in the upper section of the bottle. Now take the funnel and fill the bird feet in it. Then you close the two holes with glue, so that no bird feet can fall out. You remember the pot with the paper tape in the lid? Take this lid now and drill it on the bottle. Just like this. Now take a part of the wire, just like 25 centimeters, and cut it with the plier. Now take the wire and bind the 10 needles around the bottle. Now cut the wire and press it at the bottle so that no bird can hurt there. Now you're ready and make your first recycled bird feeder.